Hello everybody, Jim and Linda here from Yudgrin 2. We just wanted to show you our progress. We are getting close to being done with the Advantech. Jimmy's just finishing putting down the glue on this next 4x8, Jimmy? Yeah. Advantech. And we've been moving right along today. I didn't get up here with Maxwell. Maxie, can you say hi to everybody? Turn around and wave. Wave hi. There he is. He's been managing the job, of course, like usual. So, we are moving right along. It's about probably 2:45 by now. We're supposed to get rain by noontime tomorrow and a real bad storm on Monday. So we are trying to finish up these last 2 rows and then cover it with a 50 by 30 huge top we got. So here comes Jimmy. One man show.
I gotta push that out. Can you hold that with one hand?
Yep, I can. Honey, you gonna get that in?
Okay, I got it.
Oh, you got it? Okay. So this is his methodology. He stands it up after he glues it. He's got this boardwalk he made so that he can straddle it, because we're up high and now, and then he drops it. So then he kind of pounds it in place, leaving enough space in there for expansion, a little bit for expansion, like about a nail width. An eighth.
And you have to use something along this edge, because if you hit it with a plain hammer, you're going to screw up the tongue and groove portion.
I wouldn't advise doing this with a axe, but Jimmy doesn't listen to me.
I don't have a sledgehammer, so next best thing.
We had one at home. Maxie, not now, please. No, we're okay, Max, but thank you for offering.
Yeah, roughly an 1/8 all around.
Okay, awesome. And then we use the Senko nail gun after Jimmy gets it where he wants it. And oh, first you have to make sure the joists are 16 on center.
Yep.
So now he's just anchoring a couple of screws so it won't slide anywhere. And then he'll do the pony clamp and make sure they're all 16 on center.
As Linda mentioned, we're coming down the wire now to get finished. She's using the automatic drill, which works pretty good most of the time. The nice thing is you can stand up. You don't have to go around on your knees or anything. So anyway, we're going to go back to putting on more sheets, and we'll do a little video when we're done. Okay, so I told you I'd bring you back as soon as we got it finished. 36 sheets of Advantech. And at least half of them we put down today, so we was pretty busy. They all went down good though. tomorrow we're gonna get the top out. I've got a 30. Well, this platform is 24 foot wide and 24 foot wide and 48 feet long. Gonna make a nice camp.